Hi everyone, it's Saleena from Twinkl. If you are thinking of ideas how to make story writing or greeting cards more engaging, Twinkl have a fantastic pop-up mechanism which is perfect for this. This fun activity is great for the classroom or for supporting children at home. This resource includes simple instructions how to make a pop-up book, which can be on any subject your child chooses. Children will need their book or a piece of paper, and another piece of paper to draw their picture on. You could use a photo or a picture from a magazine if you wish. Pop-up books are a great way to encourage children to read more. The interactive element helps children get involved in the story or the subject matter. Colour in and then cut out. You may want to advise your children to leave a border around the picture to make the pop-out image stand out, and also because the sides are folded slightly when glued down. Now you want to fold your picture in half, folding it the opposite way your book has been folded, so the middle of the picture is nearest to you. Next, you want to take your book or your piece of paper and line up the middle fold of the picture with the middle fold of the page. Carefully glue down the edges. Around 1 centimeter of glue would be a good amount either side, and leave to dry. There you have it, your very own pop-up insert. A lovely surprise for someone when they open the page. This pop-up mechanism can be used in different ways, such as an insert for a birthday card or even for an event. Children will simply need to follow instructions again on the sheet to help them and be creative and imaginative as they want. Pop-up books can be a narrative or non-fiction to help teach children about various topics. This lovely resource gives you a number of ideas for different pop-up books to help engage your children. Twinkl even have ready-made pop-up templates to print and use for different events. This Easter card pop-up resource is a lovely way for children to share an Easter card with someone. The resource contains a lovely template, perfect if you are pushed for time, which makes it a speedy activity. The worksheet provides children with simple, straightforward instructions for making 2 excellent Easter pop-up cards. Children can use these during a one-off lesson, during golden time, or even to be sent home as a fun home learning task. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you soon.